She came in nervous, but one thing instantly changed her entire mood. This is the story of her first Brazilian wax at 45, and her reaction went viral for the best reason. It all started with the welcome. Instead of a clinical, rushed environment, she walked into a calm, relaxing spa. The technician greeted her with a warm smile, immediately putting her at ease. Before anything happened, they sat down for a no-pressure consultation. Every step was explained clearly. She was shown the gentle wax formulas they could use, and all her questions were answered. The focus was on her comfort, not speed. But it was the next step that removed 70% of her anxiety. It's called the comfort consultation, and it's something every first-timer should ask for. This short conversation can transform the whole session. The technician reviewed her skin history and did a sensitivity assessment. They even offered a patch test to see how her skin would react. They discussed her preferences, addressed her concerns about pain, and created a completely customized plan just for her. There were no surprises. What she learned next was a game changer. It sounds surprising, but mature skin often responds beautifully to waxing, sometimes even better than younger skin. Why? The hair regrowth cycle can be slower, and clients over 40 are often better at sticking to pre-care instructions. They usually have less irritation from constant shaving. And because estheticians often take an even gentler approach with mature skin, the results can be incredibly smooth. Plus, better hydration habits, which many people develop over time, make a huge difference. Then came a technique that made her instantly relax. It took just 10 seconds. The technician placed a warm towel on the area, which felt amazing. The wax itself was applied slowly after a quick temperature test on the wrist, and professional reassurance was given the whole time. With soft music playing in the background, the technician even synced her breathing with the clients. It was a gentle start that built immediate trust. But there's a prep step that cuts discomfort in half, especially for mature skin. Skip this, and the experience feels completely different. The technician started with a light cleanser to remove any lotions, followed by a special skin drying powder so the wax would grip the hair, not the skin. Then, they applied a balancing pre-oil that acts as a protective barrier. They checked her skin's elasticity, and did one final comfort check-in before starting. This meticulous prep was everything. So what was her reaction when the first strip was removed? She froze for a moment, and then she laughed. She was so surprised. It was far less uncomfortable than she ever expected. The quick technique, the way the technicians supported the skin, and the clear communication all worked together. Her trust in the process skyrocketed in that one moment. This is all thanks to the quick-release method that top estheticians swear by. It's one little trick that makes waxing feel much more manageable. They work in shorter, smaller sections. The removal is fast and clean, with no hesitation or dragging. The esthetician stabilizes the surrounding skin with their hand and pulls at a low angle. It's a smooth follow-through motion that minimizes sensation. To keep her relaxed, the spa used a calm-down technique that works for every beginner, but most clients don't know it exists. It's a combination of things, guiding her through a slow breathing rhythm, applying warm hand pressure to the area immediately after a pull, and using a cooling mist between steps. Light conversation helped shift her focus, and because the timing was predictable, her anticipation and anxiety dropped. Now, let's talk about temperature, because just 1 degree can change everything, especially for clients over 40. If the wax is too hot, it can cause sensitivity. If it's too cool, it tugs at the skin. An expert technician knows the ideal range and constantly checks it on their own wrist. They make adjustments based on skin type and even the room's climate, always asking for client feedback to ensure perfect comfort. So, what did she say at the halfway point? Her exact words were, "Why didn't I do this years ago?" The process was so much smoother than she imagined. The discomfort was minimal, thanks to the gentle technique and constant communication. She felt confident, encouraged by the results, and totally at ease. Another secret is the light pressure method that instantly calms the skin. This tiny action makes a huge difference. Right after the wax is removed, the technician applies gentle pressure with their hand. This immediately reduces that stingy sensation, reassures the body's nervous system, and prepares the skin for the next step. It's a rhythmic, calming gesture that's ideal for first-timers over 40. And let's not forget hydration. If the skin is dry, waxing feels completely different. Hydrated skin has better elasticity and a softer texture, which means less irritation and a faster recovery. The wax glides on smoother, the technician can work cleaner, and the results last longer. It changes everything. At a certain point in almost every session, a confidence shift happens. It happened to her too. Her anxiety just melted away. Her breathing stabilized, her trust in the technician was solid, and her reactions softened. She went from being nervous to being curious and comfortable. What was her number one fear going in? She was worried about high pain, a bad reaction, and feeling embarrassed. But reality was completely different. The pain was manageable, her skin handled it beautifully, and the technician was so professional that any feeling of embarrassment vanished. None of her fears matched her real experience. That's when she realized, waxing is 80% technique, not pain tolerance. The proper application, the correct angle of removal, the use of a support hand, the perfect timing, and temperature control. That's what makes a great wax. Calm communication from a skilled professional is the key. In fact, most people don't know this, but mature skin can actually respond better to gentle waxing. The skin becomes more receptive to soft techniques over time. Gentle formulas reduce redness, and the warm wax can even boost microcirculation. With protective pre-care oils and firming aftercare serums, the result is smooth, glowing skin and a huge boost in confidence. But to get there, you have to avoid the number one mistake most beginners make. It's all about the protective prep method. This one simple step can prevent 80% of discomfort. Start with a gentle cleanser, then a warm towel to open pores. A light layer of pre-wax oil shields the skin, and powder prevents tugging. It's a simple routine that ensures you stay relaxed and aware. The breathing trick she used also changed everything. It's a calm breath technique used in top spas. You take a slow inhale to prepare the body, and a controlled exhale right as the strip is removed. This simple sync reduces the startle reaction and helps the technician time their movements, making the whole session feel faster and smoother. Of course, the technician's choice of wax is crucial. The wrong formula can double irritation. A pro will assess your skin's elasticity and moisture levels, discuss any allergies, and decide between soft or hard wax. They always offer a patch test and check in on your comfort to make sure they're reusing the perfect formula for you. When it was all over, she walked out smiling. Why? It's not just about the smooth skin. The spa experience felt rejuvenating. The warm treatment promoted relaxation, and the technician's reassurance built trust. Achieving such long-lasting, beautiful results felt genuinely empowering. And the truth about wax discomfort is that it's just not what people think. Proper prep, warm wax, quick technique, and breathing exercises dramatically reduce the sensation. Plus, regular clients report feeling less and less each time. Aftercare makes the recovery even smoother. High-end spas also have a cooling secret, and it's not ice or a fan. They use things like aloe-based gels, soothing mists, and even jade rollers to calm the skin instantly. A quick, calming pressure followed by a hydrating serum and anti-redness balm works wonders. For the best results, top estheticians recommend a specific schedule for mature skin, about every 3 to 5 weeks. This consistency helps the skin become more predictable. Hydration is key, but avoid over-exfoliation. Pre-booking your appointments removes stress and allows your technician to track your progress. After your appointment, it's crucial to avoid the number one post-wax mistake that causes redness: heat. No hot showers, saunas, or intense workouts for 24 hours. Also, skip tight clothing and heavy fragrances. Instead, use a fragrance-free moisturizer and keep the area clean and dry. In fact, the best aftercare routine takes just 30 seconds. A quick cool compress, a light soothing gel, and then a hydrating lotion. No touching the area, and wear clean, cotton clothing. Drink plenty of water to help your skin recover from the inside out. Remember, temperature matters more for mature skin. A 2-degree difference can change the entire experience. A good technician is constantly checking the temperature and making adjustments. Their goal is zero tugging and zero irritation. They'll also use a gentle lift technique designed for delicate skin. It involves a slow application of the wax but a very quick removal, all while supporting the skin with their hand. This low tension angle avoids unnecessary pulling and dramatically reduces redness. If your skin feels a little warm afterward, don't worry. It's completely normal and easy to calm down at home with a cool gel or a soft towel. Avoid heat, use a fragrance-free lotion, and stay hydrated. So, how can you prepare mentally for your first wax? Know what to expect, ask all your questions beforehand, and choose comfortable clothing. Don't rush to your appointment. Practice some deep breathing, and go in with a calm, positive mindset. Trust your technician, they're there to help you. Finally, what's the one thing most first-timers forget that changes everything? It's the small details. Hydrate well the day before, eat a light meal, and wear breathable fabrics. Arrive a little early so you're not rushing, and always communicate your comfort levels. It's these tiny things that made her first spa wax at 45 surprisingly smooth and positive. Thanks for watching.